Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can change my AI gender right there on your Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and dive into our video. If you want to do so, first of all, let's go ahead, open our Snapchat and go to this message box and access your my AI right over here. So as you can see, if I tap on my AI's profile right over here, you can see it's a male. So if I want to change the gender, simply go ahead, tap on this customize option. Now you're going to tap on this avatar option right over here. You will get the start customize and choose any, just tap on. You will be able to find different kind of stuffs, but in icons above you will be able to find this female looking icon right over here. Simply go ahead, tap on that one. Now you can see you can choose any of it and your gender of your AI will be changed right away. Once you're done choosing what kind of AI you would prefer, then go ahead, once you're done, tap on the save option above given. You can customize as you would like right there. You can see now it's practically changed to, if I go back, you can see the gender has completely changed of my AI. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. Go ahead, customize your avatar the way you would like to, and you're good to go. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.